Welcome to a special episode of Tricks of the Trademark with me, Erik Pelton. On this special episode, we're celebrating our 25th year as a boutique trademark law firm with 25 special episodes featuring 25 tips. If you are trying to protect your brand, there are basically an infinite number of reasons to work with a trademark attorney. I'm going to share with you 25 of the top reasons in this short video. First, you're working with an expert, a field and subject matter expert. That's important. Second, they act as your advisor. They use that expertise and experience to provide advice. Third, the advice is going to be important because there is many strategic decisions and factors that go into trademark protection. Fourth, they're going to know about searching, which is key to make sure that a trademark has a high likelihood of success. They're also going to know about the rules, which are very important to knowing how the system works, what can be protected, how to deal with a dispute, all of these types of things. They're also going to know about the procedures. Procedures in the law can sometimes be make or break. If you don't know the proper procedures, it may not matter how brilliant or great your trademark is. You might have trouble getting it registered. Seventh, they're going to know how to address substantive refusals, which when they come up, which is not infrequent, is incredibly important. 8, as you might have gleaned from what we've been talking about, there's a lot of nuance to this area. And working with an attorney is going to be with someone who can help understand and know that nuance. 9, the opposite of nuance is hard deadlines that come up in the trademark process. Very important to know what those deadlines are, when they apply, how to calculate them. 10th, they're going to use software. Software is going to help manage the deadlines, calculate dates and responses, and monitor the status of the application. This is a very important resource in the trademark process. 11, in order to file anything at the USPTO, you actually have to have a login, which is a complex process in and of itself. If you work with a trademark attorney, they've already got the login, saving you time. 12th, they're going to know about the different application options. There's a lot of different options that go into just choosing what type of application to file. They're going to know about the different descriptions of goods and services. They're going to know about the pros and cons of filing for a logo versus a word mark. They're going to know about evidence of use and what type of evidence is acceptable and why that's key. 16th reason, they're going to know about the fees so that you can understand going into it what the different government fees for the different steps along the way are likely to be. They're going to know about ownership and how to identify the proper owner and why that is a key component to an application. They're going to know about signatures and who can sign an application and why the signature and the declaration is very important. 19th, they're going to know about the timeline. The timeline is something I talk about a lot. It's the long and winding road. Knowing the timeline and having experience dealing with it helps a lot with managing the process. 20th, they're going to know about dates of use, another key element that goes into a trademark application filing. They're going to know about domicile address and why that's important. They're not going to know about publication for opposition and how and when and why that takes place. They're going to know about renewal dates and how to calculate them. A very important thing for once you already receive your registration. They're going to know about renewal requirements, which are not exactly the same as application requirements and necessary to continue the lifespan of a trademark. Finally, working with an attorney is going to help shield the applicant from scammers. Unfortunately, it may not make all the scammers go away, but it will help shield because there are innumerable amounts of scams trying to approach trademark filers in all different types of ways. And this shield is actually something that can be quite valuable. If you liked these 25 tips, stay tuned for the next video. I'm actually making a whole series of 25 videos, each featuring 25 tips about a different nuanced trademark topic. You've just listened to another episode of Tricks of the Trademark with me, Erik Pelton. For lots more episodes, videos, content, links, blog posts, and more, visit our website at www.erikpelton.com.